What's the point of a cold call? No, really, what's the point of a cold call? The cold call has two purposes. The first is to market a highly desirable candidate and get an interview for them. But that isn't the end point, because from that point you should then transition into talking with the prospect about their business, what they're trying to achieve, what problems they're facing. Alternatively, the purpose of a cold call is to give somebody just enough information to show that you're credible and you might have interesting things to talk about, and then to transition into a conversation about their business, what they're looking to achieve, what issues they're facing. Now, let me emphasize, I don't mean what problems they're having recruiting. I mean what problems they're having as a business, because then you can identify situations where having the right people in place are a solution to their problems, or having the right people in place will allow them to get the results and the goals that they're trying to achieve. The point of a cold call is to consult with somebody, to understand their business so that you can help them get what they want and make their problems smaller or go away. The point of a cold call is not to flog somebody some stuff. The point of a cold call is to start a long-term relationship. And once you've got that, it's a big shift.